Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm here joined by the homeowner. His name is Brandon. Good morning, Brandon. How are you?
Doing great.
Good. Can we ask you a couple of questions?
Of course.
So can you tell the audience what city we're in right now?
We're in La Habra Heights, California. It's on the border of LA County and Orange County up here in the hills.
Way above sea level.
Oh yeah, we got great view, standing down to Newport Beach.
Okay. And can you tell the audience what's going on today that don't understand what's
So we
going
got
on?
about 15 guys here from the framing crew.
Okay.
We finished the foundation, we did the floor, now we're on to actually building the home.
Gotcha. And this is the framing process.
Yes, we're doing, so what you're seeing is 10-foot walls.
Okay.
So we went a little bit higher to take advantage of
The space.
the space we have here.
This is, I think it's a 1.45 acre lot, right?
It is, and we did the retaining walls first with Horizon, and then we moved on to actually building the house, what we're doing today.
And what is your ultimate goal? Is this the structure, or are you going to add more stuff to it?
So the first project is retaining walls, house, and then I do have a garage and I have a pool house, but that's going to be part 2.
Okay.
So part 1 is getting this house built.
Okay. And I can tell there's going to be like landscaping here or hardscaping?
This
or
is going to be a nice planter. I'm going to put a lot of California drought resistant plants.
Okay.
It's all going to be stuccoed white with a tile roof. This is going to be a big arched window. It's going to be Spanish revival style.
Okay.
Because the original house was built in 1925, and that was the style of the house.
Very old school and traditional.
Oh yeah.
And so is this new structure going to be single story or
It's
2-story?
Single story. It would have just taken longer to do permitting if we went 2 stories because we can't block anyone's view.
Okay.
And it was originally a 1-story house.
Gotcha. And once this house is completed, are you going to match the studio above the garage with the theme of the home, or are you going to keep that?
Yeah, so we're going to see how this turns out.
Okay.
And we're going to match all the existing structures with kind of the white stucco.
Yes, sir.
And the kind of a nice tile roof.
With the matching roof and everything.
Oh yeah.
Gotcha.
Oh, yeah.
And in long term, once this project is done, what's your goal with it? Are you going to live here? Are you going to flip it? You're going to...
I'm living here. We're living here forever. The original owner that I bought it from, he lived here from 34 to 94.
Okay.
I bought it when I was 34, so if I could do the same thing, I'll be happy.
Congratulations, because as everybody knows that live in California, property is so expensive.
Yeah.
Even the dirt. So you have the American dream. I'm happy for you, and we're proud of you. Thank you for hiring Mark, Ina, and Michael to do this project.
Oh yeah.
They appreciate it, we appreciate it, and thank you for letting us talk to you for a little bit.
Oh yeah, they've done a great job. Fantastic progress so far.
Would you recommend them again to your friends and family and neighbors?
100%. This is like a 10 out of 10 on difficulty on this project, and it is a bunch of challenges. We've overcame every single one.
So you've been optimistic.
Oh, super optimistic. It's a huge investment for me, but I couldn't be happier with the way it's going right now.
Yeah, because you could leave it to your kids when you're done too,
100%.
right?
I got another kid on the way, so the girls are gonna love it.
Great. Thank you. So thank you to Brandon, the homeowner. He wasn't paid to say this, so he has positive reviews of the company, and we're just gonna keep the project going, and we will see you guys in the next process. Thank you. Thank you, Brandon.